Today I'll be showing you how I draw my hair. I first draw an X. This X will tell me the hair root or where I'll be mainly placing my hair. Then I draw arrows around the X. This is where I could easily draw my bangs, whether I wanted to be very flowy or straight. Then I draw 3 curves. One curve will be where my front hair would be placed. One curve will be where my rear hair would be placed. And one curve is where my back hair would be placed. Then I roughly sketch my hair. This is how I want my hair to look or be planned. After adding in the base colors, you could choose whatever base color you want. I make a new layer and I go to blend mode and put it into multiply. And I'm using the graphite pencil. You could choose any colors you like, and now I'm just randomly putting them into the hair like colorful blobs. But I highly recommend you to pick up very vibrant colors like vibrant red, vibrant blue and vibrant purple. As you could see, I'm using vibrant blue, vibrant red and vibrant purple. Then you smudge it or blend it. After that, you lower your multiply layer up to your satisfactory until like the colorful blob fully goes away, yeah, a little bit goes away. I add in a new layer and I put in random colorful blobs, but they are light color. You should take any 3 light colors of your choices, put it into a screen, and then you lower the opacity up to your satisfactory. Now you add in a new layer, clip it to the one so it does not go out. You take your base color, choose a darker color than your base color, then you start to shade the top and the bottom of the hair. Then you choose something a little bit lighter than that darker color and then you start to blend it a little bit by like picking the darker color, putting it over the light color and taking the lighter color, putting it over the dark color, and then you smudge it. Then you lower the opacity because if the hair becomes too dull because of it, you're just trying to control your browns. Now you add in a new layer and then you choose a very light color because we're gonna add in the highlights. I tend to first make one line very tall, then I add a little lines upon that. Then I make the layer to add so the highlights could be more shinier, then lower the opacity. Thank you for watching.